Mike Lee's with us this morning. Mike, we predicted this yesterday. The slightest hint of a disappointment and the stock tanks because the analogs come in or whatever it's called, and they read the computers and down they go. Is this an overreaction?
Absolutely. Well, it was down much more later, right after the news. And after CEO Satya Nadella got on the call, the stock is starting to recover, and I think people are coming to their senses. But you got to remember, a lot of the investors in these companies are fast money, retail investors that think they can make a quick buck, as well as computers that just push stocks higher, push stocks lower. But both of them have no real fundamental view on the company, so it can create a lot of opportunities for investors. I think this is a great opportunity to own Microsoft. They're up 45% quarter over quarter in users using their AI products. Okay, they're going to have 27 to 30% cloud growth kind of as far as the eye can see. And this is on a $115 billion business. It's unbelievable the numbers we're talking about here. And these things tend to move in exponential fashion, not linear. And I think the street gets it wrong. I think this is kind of a generational opportunity to be investing in these names.
Would you be surprised if Microsoft closed higher at the end of trading today?
Not at all. No. Not at all.
No. Well, look, what about the other big techs? We've got Meta today, Apple and Amazon tomorrow. Are they going to reflect at all what happened to Microsoft?
If Microsoft closes up today, it'll be a good sign that these investors getting impatient with the AI investments, like nobody cares, right? In large part, we believe these things will pay off. I think you're going to get spectacular earnings from Meta. Okay, the company has not recovered from, briefly traded above it, but from their last quarter earnings, not because of how much money they made or the revenue, but because of their capital investments in AI. And so AI, as we know it now, is really sophisticated data analytics. Who needs data analytics more than Facebook to create its advertising platform? And then Amazon is just absolutely going to crush it in the cloud. And then Apple tomorrow, that to me is the unknown, how the street takes into account how the AI is transitioning into the phone. Will this lead to this device upgrade where you have 250 million phones that have not been upgraded in over 4 years? That's the question. I think we're going to get good news from everybody. We'll see if the market takes it in stride.
Nice to see Super Bull Mike Lee back with us again. And you still are, aren't you?
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Mike. Good stuff.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much.
it.